Actually, guys, I just received my guitar, so I'm so happy about it. I have it here, and of course, it's not unboxed yet. And I thought I was going to do an unboxing because it's the first time I do it, and oh, there's Goku right here. So we're gonna do it right now. I'm gonna put it on my bed, and here it is. So yeah, I know that doesn't look like a guitar, of course, because I didn't open it yet. Oh, that's a very funny joke, I know. Um, let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna put the whole unboxing. I think that would work. Cool. This looks awesome. I'm so hyped. So it comes with a great box, but there's a little box inside. That's cool. They should have just take this thing and just give it, because I don't really need this one actually. Yes, finally. You wanna hear me happy? Oh, so happy. You can take this away from now and concentrate on the guitar, which is, I didn't say it yet, but it's an IBANEZ GSA 60, so it's not really some really good guitar, but for me it will do the job really great. I don't need anything else. So yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I see it. Oh, yes, finally. Oh, and okay, so it comes with a vibrator and also a little cable if you need some more cables. That's cool. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so now that you see it, now that it looks awesome, yeah, I'm gonna make a little overview of it so you can see it better. Does it still film? Yes, it still films. Okay, so right now you're seeing my new Ibanez guitar, and this is my first my first actual guitar. So I didn't really have any idea of what I wanted to buy. The first year I was really happy with it. I didn't need anything else. But actually, I can't say that I'm better at guitar. It's not really the type of guitar that sorry about it. That I really wanted. Like you see, the pickups it's a Strat. If you know this brand, you can tell me. I'm sure you don't know it, and that's the problem. It's a beginner guitar. Like it comes with a pack with amplifier and some cables, and actually it comes also with some picks from this brand that I don't know, and no one knows it. I looked for some things by this guitar, like on some forums, but I didn't see anything like there isn't any specs or so whatever. Just look at this. Yeah, it's a Strat, and then you have this. Yeah, it looks so cool. Oh man, it looks like I'm rich though. I have 2 guitars now. I think I'm gonna do sound test of it. Hey, welcome back guys. So we're another day because I had some problems with my computer. It crashed and now I can't I just can't use my Bass FX studio. So now I'm obliged to record with my amp. So I just make a quick review of everything, like the sounds of the pickups, and I won't really explain what it's about because you're supposed to know it. But yeah, I'll make some. And yeah, I forgot to say I'm with my TC Electronics Dark Matter pedal. So it's a distortion pedal, which is about 120 euros on the market. So you can use it. It's great, really. I can't do the last thing because of the last string. It's not tuned correctly. I love this. So yeah, I didn't really play a lot on this. I didn't really make everything because I don't know how to play every genres of music. But yeah, I did this, and I hope it was helpful for you to know what you're buying. Maybe I don't know if you're watching this unboxings. Maybe because you want to buy some Ibanez GSA 60 guitar. See you guys on the next one, and yeah, leave a comment, a like, or I don't know, below, and I hope everything will be alright till next time. Bye bye. I love you guys.